Hello everyone, let's glue book and my little mini composition book. I have my scissors, my glue, and my little stuff that I need to go through to glue book. I have two. I picked up two because this one is old. This one's from back in the day, and I need to really go through this and start using stuff out of it and things of that nature. I have so much junk. I tried to consolidate, but it didn't work. It didn't work. I need to really sit down and consolidate all this junk. It's not, y'all, I have so many bags and stuff. What's going on over here? I really need to go through and really and get this stuff together. This is from really early on. All right, let's get started. So this isn't one where I'm supposed to be looking through the bag. I'm supposed you know, and figure it out. Am I still going to use this stuff? See, what is this? Or what? I don't know why I kept that. Man, this was just cute. Why do I have this? I like finger polish. I don't know. Alrighty. Let's get started. This is from the other time. I guess I can still use that. But I used that in the last one. I don't want to use that in this one. Okay. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Oh, what's this? That's cute. I like that. I like that. That little piece right there. I don't know what I'm doing. What do I have going? I have everything. I just threw everything in here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, it just kept popping up. Alright, so we're going to use it. It's the piece of a gift bag from back in the day. And I'm going to use it since it keeps wanting to pop up. Alright. It feels hard. Oh, man, that looks, I don't know where I'm put that, but I like to put this back in the bag. This is from, okay, I guess this is just gift bag day. It's not magazine only glue book, but let's use some of this as background. Some of the magazine color is background. I don't know why I'm hesitate. Well, friends, this is Editing Micki right here. I'm going to, since I stopped talking, I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover and bring this video into the present. It's now June. No, I am not piled up in I am not piled up in a sweatsuit. It is burning up hot, y'all. We're going through a heat wave. Most of the country is going through the heat wave. So I decided to pop on over here because this one I'm not going to cut up and put music. I'm going to either have the crafting noises and or I'm going to talk, you know, pop on in and talk. So how is everyone? I hope everyone is well and enjoying your summer. The summer just started. Summer goes so fast. Oh my gosh, summer just breezes by, and oh, so I'm really determined this summer, God willing, to enjoy it as much as I can. Oh boy. And I finally, for the first time, went to the beach yesterday. So I was really happy. So if you've been with me any amount of time over the years, you know I love to go to the beach. I don't get in the water. I don't get in the water. Maybe sometimes I'll have my aqua shoes on. They used to call them aqua shoes back in the day. I don't know what they call them now. Water shoes, I don't know. I may put my feet in it, you know, sit up there and put my feet in it, but I don't get in there no more. But, and not to say in the future I won't, but right now, no, I just go. And I'm the lady you see in the swing. That's me. Gab used to be like, why that old lady up in the swing? She's like, she trying to have fun. That's what she doing. So if you see an old lady, that's me, y'all. That's me. Yep. Anyway, I hope everyone is, like I already said, is well, and you get out and enjoy the fresh air, even though it's humid, it's hot. Oh my gosh. Get out there and try to enjoy it. Cause soon summer will be gone. You know, and let me know down below what's your favorite season. You know, summer's not my favorite season, but because, you know, I'm a water baby, I enjoy, you know, that's when the summer, I enjoy summer. But let me know down below, what's your favorite season. And funny enough, nobody, my family is not really huge on, the beach, but, I'm the only one I've been, and it finally dawned on me. It took me years because I thought everybody liked the beach. And they don't. They can take it or leave it. Me, I got, you know, I just love the beach. And I have to have where I could see. I don't want to go where I could see land. I want to see the horizon. Let me tell you about this, why this is lost. This video is lost. It's lost because at the end, you couldn't see what I was doing after a while. And so I guess I just had, and I just went on to something else. But I have a lot of lost videos I need to put up. But this one in particular, the bird gets lost. He looks like a blob after a while. But I just said, oh well, I'm just gonna put it up. Y'all know, you know, I just sit down, start gluing. I don't plan, and it just didn't turn out. And that's what happens a lot of times. Sometimes you don't have a pretty work of art at the end, but you found, you know, you had a good time doing it, and I did have a good time gluing all this down. It just didn't turn into anything. And sometimes things look better through the viewfinder than it does in real life. And then sometimes in real life, it looks better. This looked better in real life than it did through the glue finder, the viewfinder, or the view, when you're looking at it through the camera or while you're editing it. Um, uh, so like I said, this one, it was mainly a lot of the old gift bags. So keep your gift bags, y'all. Keep your gift bag. And I was hoping once I put that man up there in that balloon, I wanted to find a little sentiment that said, "Fly away with me, the best is yet to be." Couldn't find it. And I think I say so somewhere in this video because that would have been funny or appropriate to put up there. Um, yeah. So then I put that down there. It doesn't look that bad as I look at it close up. I wonder why I stuck that lady's head right there, but that's okay. If you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. And you know how we do. We want to put a wave emoji to tell me that you're here and that you're waving at me, to say hello. Or we put a glue book emoji, the scissor emoji. And for the birdie that was disappearing and blending into the background, we could put a little birdie.